My name is Wesley Payne McClendon. As an executive, the challenge of racism, discrimination, inequality, and a non-inclusive workplace culture is like being a fish in a fast-moving stream. Like all of the elements around you, whether fixed like a boulder stuck in the mud or an insect floating on top of the water, the current is constantly moving in one direction, downstream. If you do absolutely nothing, the current will take you on its own predetermined journey. However, if you actively swim with the current by knowingly or unwittingly supporting existing institutional systems and practices that undermine the challenges, the current will likely propel you even faster. For some executives, going with the flow, doing nothing, or turning a blind eye can amplify these systemic challenges. As a result, albeit unintentionally, these challenges become embedded in the institutional fabric of an organization. And once these challenges gain momentum, it's difficult to tread water, let alone turn in a completely different direction. So, for those executives willing to swim upstream and become fully immersed in the transformation journey, this is the place to start. If you want to leverage people data, develop tangible incentives that have social capital, cultural and commercial benefit, and drive results through strategic planning and assessment, let me introduce you to Transforming Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Masterclass. The Masterclass is designed to assist board members, executives, and leadership teams to understand the commercial, institutional, and cultural impact of diversity, equity, and inclusion on the workplace. Participants gain valuable case study, academic research, and experiential insights and perspectives, and build a strategic plan that includes cultural inclusive key performance indicators to track your transformation journey. The Masterclass is a 90-minute online comprehensive self-directed and virtually facilitated opportunity to choose your own diversity, equity, and inclusion pathway as a new entry into collecting and managing diversity data for the first time, auditing institutional practices, policies, and procedures as a means of creating equity and innovation, or measuring diversity, equity, and inclusion change, transformation, and trajectory. At the end of the masterclass, participants will take away a diversity, equity, and inclusion strategic plan with diversity, equity, inclusion KPIs to be discussed, analyzed, and evaluated in a virtual one-on-one executive session. Participants will also receive the following takeaways: membership to an exclusive executive community of practice in which to engage with other senior executives in a similar journey, invitations to a monthly diversity, equity, and inclusion webinar, and other virtual events and resources, and finally, continuous professional engagement through live webinars, group discussions, thought leadership, and case study analysis. I look forward to seeing you at the Masterclass.